have a very special message for you today, so please listen closely. You have never, not for one moment, been off your path. You have no reason to feel any embarrassment or any discomfort about where you are at this stage in your life, because you're actually powerfully on your path. This is your path, my friend, and you're just beginning the best part of your life. Oh, how does that sound? Yeah, you see, many people are walking around with this deep belief that something went wrong, that they somehow missed their moment, or missed their calling, or missed the life they were supposed to live. So they look back at the past and see mistakes, and see lost time, and see wrong decisions, and see opportunities they believe they should have taken. And slowly, you know what is happening, almost without noticing, a very heavy story begins to form, and that story says, I am behind. I should have figured this out already, or maybe I missed my path. So let me know how many of you had these thoughts. Don't feel embarrassed. It's very normal to think like that. That's how society has been wired for years. Like, we need to compare ourselves with others, and when someone else is succeeding, oh, I should feel behind. But you see, your soul has chosen this path for a reason, and your soul is calling you to embrace you where you are right now. That's the truth. So, what if every single experience you went through, even the ones that felt like detours, was actually part of the exact route your life needed to take? What about that? So, when we embrace this idea, then suddenly there's no mistakes and no failures. It's all like some kind of learning and preparation. Because we all know that nothing in nature is in straight line. Like, mountains are not all equal, and trees are also not all equal, and people are not all equal. Our paths are just different. So, because life doesn't move in straight lines, we need to start perceiving our journey also like it's a bit unpredictable, maybe quite unpredictable. And we move through phases of this quiet evolution that most people on the surface will never understand. Like, I know you've been through it, or you're going through it right now. You're going through a battle that most people would never understand. You have thoughts that would rather like no one would hear. And you have maybe emotions that you've suppressed that you would rather not feel. We all have some kind of, energies to deal with, but this is our journey. That is our journey. And now embracing that and saying to ourselves, this is my path, and I will make the most out of it, is the best thing we can do. I will stop saying I'm behind, and I will embrace this moment. I will stop saying I did a mistake, and I will say I did the best I knew. And I will stop looking at others and see how evolved they are, because this is my evolution, right? My life is my evolution. You can write it down. My life is my evolution. This is your journey. So you move through spirals, yes, through cycles, through deep seasons of becoming. So see your life as seasons. You see, there's this strange thing about real transformation. It's that when it's happening, it rarely looks like progress. Usually it begins with a lot of confusion, like why this needed to end, why I needed to lose this, why I needed to, move on. So it's like confusion. And then there's a lot of quietness after it, like not much changes. So there's a lot of stillness, and it's uncomfortable to many people. And then more things fall apart. This is all how transformation looks like. But because we have this false idea of what we see on social media, like transformation is all about winning and huge success and being happy all the time, then we think that when we go through confusion and stillness and things are falling apart, we think there's something wrong. But this is exactly the moment. Your life is changing and you're changing with it. So, something that I often remind people is that the path is not something you find. The path is something that is forming as you walk forward. You are paving something new right now. And that feels unpredictable. So the only way to truly predict it is for you to try to create it the best you can. But also in that, you don't need to be a perfectionist, because there's more things you don't know than what you do know. So be willing to make mistakes and be willing to also aim for something that maybe at some point you notice it was not for you. You will learn way more than doing nothing. So think about who you were 5 years ago. Who were you, my friend? And I want you to just for a moment, if you can, close your eyes and see that version of you. And let that version of you come to you, close to you. And see how much reverence that version of you, that younger you, has towards you for who you have become today. How much perseverance you've developed, how much self-love and compassion you've developed. Look how that younger you sees you right now, with its incredible love and respect and reverence for who you've become. And just see yourself for a moment, because yeah, man, yeah, woman, you came far, right? You came far in your life. Maybe it's not perfect, of course not. It doesn't need to be, but acknowledge that you came far. This younger you loves you and needs you right now. So imagine how this younger you now shifts into a spark of light and moves into your heart. And that means you've embraced who you've been, you've forgiven yourself, and you're now ready to integrate also that younger you into you. So, you see, you didn't know the things you know now in the past. You didn't see life the way you see it now, and that's a huge win. Your awareness, your sensitivity, your understanding, all of it has expanded. And that expansion did not come from things going perfectly. It came from living your life. It came from experiencing what you've been through. It came from moments where you had to question everything you thought you knew, right? I know I've been through it, and it was never easy. But it was very strange and very painful. But I needed to keep going, because I've noticed that the pain of staying the same is greater than the pain of change. That's what I've noticed. So I kept going very slowly, and then at some point, yeah, there was a breakthrough. And then there was another one, and then there was another one. Just because I've decided to keep moving forward and trusting that this is my path. This is my path. It's not how it looks from other people, it's mine, and I love my path. So, you see, the most expansion truly comes from moments where we had to question everything we thought we knew. So, if you're standing somewhere in your life right now, feeling uncertain, feeling like you're still figuring things out, let me tell you something that most people only realize much later in life. And that's this: you are not late. and actually you are right on time. So I want you to know that your timing is never wrong, and your path is simply unfolding in a way your mind cannot predict. So there's a reason your soul has chosen this path. Maybe for you to learn to develop this pattern of acceptance, or this pattern of allowing things to be how they are, so we don't fight with reality. Mind loves to predict and loves to see this kind of a straight timelines. Like, I see my future, I know it will work out. This is what mind loves. And then when things don't go the way we would expect, we think, oh, my future will not work out. And then we worry and we doubt and we waste so much of our energy in these states, right? So mind loves a clear path. Like, this is step 1, this is step 2, this is step 3. But you've learned that it doesn't work like that. No, it never works like that. It works just like the opposite. You don't know how things will work. You just have an idea how you want them to work, but you don't know how it will work, and that's okay. Just my message is just keep going and have these tools for regulation, for relaxation, for going within when it feels hard. And just in case you don't want to walk this path alone, I've put together a whole new school. It's a whole new community. It's our new platform that's built for community. It's built for same-minded, same-hearted people to walk this path together. But also, I put in well-structured teaching, so you can follow a certain guidance and do it together with every single one individual that is also on this path. So if you feel you would need something like that, you can join us on the link in the description. And also every single week I go live and you can ask me questions. So this is very huge. So you are not the person who made those past decisions anymore, right? Are you? No, you changed, you've grown. So you are someone new and someone with more awareness, with more depth, with more understanding. And because of that, the next chapter of your life will be completely different from the last one. It will be completely different than what you're imagining. And this is something people rarely talk about, because the most powerful phase of life usually begins after the confusion, after the searching, after the identity you once had begins to dissolve, and the moment when you truly realize you're no longer, or you just don't want to live the same life. You no longer want the same things. And when I say the same life, I don't mean you need to end this life. I mean, you need to end perceiving life as you did. And, lifestyle that is not serving you anymore. And you start feeling called towards something deeper. So there's actually a module that I've created in our community that's called Living the Matrix. It's actually letting go of false beliefs of who we think we are, and false, suppressed emotions that we don't need to carry on. So we realize who we truly are and we start trusting life more than ever before. So it's a very powerful teaching, step by step, for every single day activation. And you can find it on the link in the description. So who you're becoming more aligned, you're becoming more real. And that feels great, but also unsettling because it feels new, right? So because suddenly the old version of life doesn't fit anymore, it means that something must change. You're standing in between two identities, and between who you were and who you're becoming. And this in-between phase can feel a bit strange. So know that if the old life is collapsing, it's because new one is beginning. So Just know, my friend, you're not lost. You're in transition. Your awareness is expanding. Your values are shifting. Please notice what new values are rising within you. Your direction is refining itself, and what looks like confusion is truly the early stage of clarity that will eventually emerge. So learn to accept your life as it is. Learn to accept it. Learn to perceive that you don't need to understand everything, but also learn to notice what kind of state you want to be in more frequently, and may it become your anchor. Because it's not intellectual knowledge anymore as much as it is being in the right energy that is supportive to, like, it could be peace, it could be harmony, it could be stability, it could be maybe just groundedness, like being grounded. You see, you can't worry if you're grounded and stable, because it's like a storm that is being blown by a wind. It's still, because it has strong roots, it will stay there. And that's same with you. So it's about choosing, I'm not in this reactive state anymore. I'm not holding on to this old emotional state anymore. I will choose stability. I will breathe in deeply. I will design some stable routines in my life. So then I can also have time to process what I need to process. And that's what you need, right? You need to take care of you. You need to protect you. And you need to then move on towards that new life that is slowly beginning for you. So, I'm wishing you a beautiful journey, my friend. And if this message resonated with you and you enjoy conversations like this about change, about transformation, about purpose, and creating a meaningful life, you're deeply welcome to join our private community. It's our inner circle, AttractPassion Inner Circle. It's a place where we go much deeper into these ideas and support each other in building lives that actually feel aligned. And you will find the link to join us in the description. So if you're still here listening to this message, then probably it means something in you is already moving in that direction. So trust that part of you that is moving, because something within you is ready. And that quiet part of you maybe feels drawn forward. So it is the path itself that is calling you. So I will leave you here. I hope you found a great value today. I hope you've enjoyed in today's painting. You can find also prints of my art in our store, AttractPassion.com. And till next time, one love.